Hello folks, welcome back to the train room. It's that time of year, springtime, which means the Greenberg train show in Edison. They do it twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. So today on JRH Productions, we're going to take a look at my haul from the Greenberg train show. So let's jump right in on JRH Productions. Alright, we're here at the desk, the workbench, and the first two items I picked up today, one of them was this CSX caboose, made by Micro Trains line. The second item is a Schaefer reefer car. Modern reefer car by Atlas. Then while I was walking around, I found this covered hopper with all this graffiti on it, and it's an Atlas car, and look at the graffiti detail on it. It's really nice. Somebody did a really good job on it. The next item I found was this I've been looking for a long time at a good price. This CSX locomotive. It's painted orange because it's a maintenance away locomotive. And it's a GP40. A GP40. And the last item I picked up train related was this. It's a demonstrator unit for the new style of coal cars, or coal porters, I should say. It's really old too. You can tell when I opened it, the packaging smelled really old when I opened it. So I got it for a good price. I got it from somebody at my club selling it for the club to raise money. And last but not least, I got this starting line figure. Let me move the camera up so you can see it more. It's a Martin Brodeur Devil's figure. Hope my brother doesn't see this before his birthday. But yeah, this is part of his birthday gift. I saw it and I figured he might like it. Now before we go run those new items around my layout, I just want to give a quick shout out to everybody that I got to run into at the show today. Like Dave from D.A. Griffin Hobbies, Ryan from the Train Board, and also Dakman Productions. And it was also great seeing a lot of my club members from the Union, the Model Railroad Club down in Union. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next go-around.